Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about surgical instruments. First one is Alice tissue holding forceps. As we can see here, on working tip there are serrations in Alice tissue holding forceps. The use is to hold the heavy tissue. Coming to the second one, that is needle holder. Needle holder is used for suturing. There are three parts: jaw, hinge joint, and third one is handle. In needle holder there is a slit inside to hold the needle. It is used for suturing. Third instrument is artery. This is your artery. In artery there is no slit. This is the way you can differentiate between needle holder and artery. The uses of artery are to achieve the hemostasis by catching the blood vessel. It is also used to hold the ends of ligature. It is used to hold the subcutaneous tissue upon neurosis, but it should not be used to hold the skin and nerves. It is also used to drain the abscess by Hilton method. It is used to pick up the necrotic tissue, granulation tissue, foreign body, or tooth or root piece of from the socket. Coming to the next instrument, that is ronger, bone ronger. As the name suggests, it is used to cut the sharp bony margin following the tooth extraction. It is also used to trim the sharp ridge projection during the alveoloplasty procedure. Is it clear? This is your bone ronger. Coming to the next, this is your curate. As we can see, there is small groove. It is used for curate. It is used to curate the granulation tissue from the socket after the tooth extraction. Next one is periosteal elevator. There are two ends. One is broad and another end is sharp. Broad end is used as soft tissue retractor. Broad end can also be used to elevate the mucoperiosteal flap, and sharp end is used to release the interdental papilla during the tooth extraction. Coming to the next instrument, that is bone filer. Here are the two ends of bone filer. This is broad one and this is short one. Bone filer is used to trim the sharp edges of the bone after the tooth extraction. Next instrument is Adson's tissue holding forceps. As you can see, the beaks are pointed. Working end is pointed. The uses are, it is used to hold the tough structure like aponeurosis and coarse muscle and tissue, but it should not be used to hold the skin. Coming to the next instrument, that is cheek retractor. Cheek retractor is used in major oral surgical procedure or surgical removal of third molar. Coming to the next, your scissor. Scissor is used to cut the tissue or suture material. This is your scalpel. Blade. This is your blade handle, what we call as Bart Parker blade handle. There are various sizes available. The most commonly used one is 3. Handle has a slot for the blade. Blade should be fitted with the needle holder or artery to prevent the injury. The blade handle is always used in pain grip. There are various blades, number 10, 11, 12, 15. The most commonly used is 15 number for intraoral surgery, and most commonly used handle is number 3. Coming to the next, this is your suture material. This is non-resorbable silk suture material. It is non-sterile, so it should be sterilized before use. The last one is Moon's probe. The Moon's probe is, there are two, the working end is right angle to the handle. It is used to elevate the gingiva around the tooth. Thank you.